Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Happy weekend to my precious people. Happy New Year. Happy everything. Happy Easter. My first live video for the year. Happy everything to you all. Happy weekend, good afternoon, everybody. Happy New Year, happy everything, happy enjoyment. My first live video of the year. God bless you all.
Which one of them we go speak? Which one of them we go speak? I say which one of them we go speak? Come is a travel to Emmy, then we go speak it so cool. It's travel to Baron, say na full day. Travel to Udali, then go speak Urobo. It's travel to Bukuma, say na Kalabari. Travel to Kaduna, then go speak.
Happy enjoyment, precious people. Good afternoon to all my lovely friends. God bless you all.
Akoloma, then go speak Africa. 1 kilometer means another language. You have a kilometer means another language. Come and say. Come and say. Come and say. Come and say. Travel to Sokoto, then go speak Fulani. We go Benin City, then go speak Edo. Travel to Onitsha, then go speak Igbo. We travel to Asaba, Sena, Bendelibo. We travel to Bogo.
Happy enjoyment, lovely people. Now, well done, though. My precious African people. I love you all. Happy enjoyment to the world. Happy enjoyment to everybody. I agree to now. My new picking. The life way talkative. I don't think come back again. My first live video of the year. First live video. Don't know. Happy enjoyment to everybody. It's good to have you here again. Lovely people.
Which one of them we go speak? Which one of them we go speak?
Yes.
Which one of them we go speak?
For inside.
I say which one of them we go speak? Come and say travel to Emmy, then we go speak it so cool. It's travel to Baron, say na full day. Travel to Udali, then go speak Urobo. It's travel to Bukuma, say na Kalabari. Travel to Kaduna, then go speak Hausa. It's travel to Okene, then go speak Ibira. Travel to Abi, then go speak Kwale.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon.
1 kilometer means another language. You have a kilometer means another language. Come and say. Come and say. Come and say. Come and say. Travel to Sokoto, then go speak Fulani. We go Benin City, then go speak Edo. Travel to Onitsha, then go speak Igbo.
You are welcome. God bless you all.
We travel to Bogo, then say native. Travel to Otukpo, then go speak Idoma. We travel to Akure, then go speak Yoruba. We travel to Ase, then go speak Ebo. We travel to Uyo, na Ibibio. We travel, travel, we travel, we travel, 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 we travel, we travel, we travel, 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 we travel, we travel, we travel, 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 we travel, we travel, we travel, travel, travel. All I'm saying, lingua franca. All I'm saying, lingua franca. All I'm saying, lingua franca. All I'm saying, lingua franca.
lovely afternoon to you all.
Which one of them we go speak? Which one of them we go speak? Which one of them we go speak? I say which one of them we go speak? Come is a shroud to Emmy, then we go speak it so cool. It's shroud to Baron, say na full day. Shroud to Ugali, then go speak Urobo. It's shroud to Bukuma, say na Kalabari. Shroud to Kaduna, then go speak Hausa. It's shroud to Okene, then go speak Ikira.
Well, welcome, good afternoon, everybody.
Then go speak Kwale. Ankoloma, then go speak Africa. 1 kilometer means another language. Half a kilometer means another language. Come and say. Come and say. Come and say. Come and say. Travel to Sokoto, then go speak Fulani. We go Benin City, then go speak Edo. Travel to Onitsha, then go speak Igbo. We travel to Asaba, say na Bendelibo. We travel to Boko, them say native. Travel to Otukpo, then go speak Idoma. We travel to Akure, then go speak Yoruba. We travel to Ase, then go speak Ebo. We travel to Uyo, na Ibibio. We travel, we travel, we travel, travel, travel. 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 All I'm saying, Lingua Franca. 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 Come and say. Come and say. Come and say. Which one of them we go speak? Which one of them we go speak? Which one of them we go speak? I say which one of them we go speak? Come and say shroud to Emmy, then we go speak it so cool. It's shroud to Baron, say na full
You are welcome, Salma. Good
then go
afternoon.
speak Urobo. It's shroud to Bukuma, say na Kalabari. Shroud to Kaduna, then go
Good
speak
afternoon, everybody.
Hausa. It's shroud to Okene, then go speak Ikira. Shroud to Abi, then go speak Kwale. Ankoloma, then go speak Africa. 1 kilometer means another language. Half a kilometer means another language. Come and say. Come and say. Come and say.
You are welcome. Good afternoon.
We go Benin City, then go speak Edo. Travel to Onitsha, then go speak Igbo. We travel to Asaba, say na Bendelibo. We travel to Boko, them say native. Travel to Otukpo, then go speak Idoma. We travel to Akure, then go speak Yoruba. We travel to Ase, then go speak Ebo. We travel to Uyo, na Ibibio. We travel, we travel, we travel, travel, travel.
You are welcome. Good afternoon.
We travel, travel,
Good afternoon, everybody. You are welcome. God bless you all.
travel, we travel, we travel, travel, travel. All I'm saying,
Lingua Franca.
all I'm saying, Lingua Franca. All I'm saying.
Okay, now let's go. Good afternoon, everybody. My lovely people, Africa precious people. Now me again, una pikin, divine fair, the talkative. I don't see come back again. Happy New Year, happy Easter, happy enjoyment, happy everything to you all. My first live video for the year. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Today I don't carry a come. The power of mother language. Title. Topic. Vernacular plus Pidgin English is the strength of Nigerians. My people, na lie, na here they talk. If na lie they talk, make una say and then make una everybody answer the question. Maybe I lie. Maybe when you say na lie, I should go to say na the vernacular language or na that broken language the people they speak na could be the strength of Nigeria. And people if na lie, make can drop una comment there, make they sing and say divine talkative they talk lie. Or you go see and say you come and say you know the meaning of illiterate that they call am. Say you know the meaning. I beg my sister, my bros, make I be your item for that. You know the meaning of language. Say yes, I know all the question when you did there. If you know the meaning, lovely people, African people, precious people, make one they try, make one they drop and then make one sister, divine fairy Toka TV, make it they see all. I love you all. I love Africa. Now true say na vernacular language and Pidgin na could be the strength of Nigeria. Make one have the question. But before una answer me, una sister talkative, she want to talk well. She want continue, make she talk they go. God bless you all. The power of mother language. I go for language. Because I want to make my people understand, say, English speaking, it is not education. It's just language of England people or American people. God bless you in Jesus' name. So what is the meaning of language? According to them, people when they go to school, when they call it spoke the English, I know the English time when they spoke and well, they say language is the method of human communication, either spoken or written, consisting of the use of words in a structured or conventional way. I be stammerer. People when they work before they know me. 2 say is a system of communication used by a particular country or community. So, what can be the meaning of that language? According to them, they say na tongue, speech, mother tongue, vernacular, lingo, writing, communication, utterance, vocabulary, conversation, speaking, talking, the way I'm talking, and pronunciation, discussion and interchange. Now, no, my sister, now I come pick some ask, okay. Make I take and rate things for my people. I pick an app. I choose vernacular, interchange, and lingo. So I go for vernacular. Lovely African people. I told them I say language not just communication, not be education. Language is for communication. It's not just natural thing. This art English speaking, the Queen's English, the Fune, na natural to England people. The way Edo language is natural to us, the way Yoruba language is natural to Yoruba people, the way Hausa language is natural to Hausa people, the way Igbo language is natural to Igbo people, the way Ijo, Urobo, Calabar people, their language is natural to them. Now the same thing say England people, this English, it didn't natural to them because now their mother tongue, the way we get our mother tongue for our place. God bless you all. So what is vernacular? According to them, they say vernacular language is the language or dialect spoken by the ordinary people or vernacular language or dialect spoken by the ordinary people of a country or region. Vernacular language say we they speak Edo people with a vernacular. Because when people just say, if you speak Edo, that girl, she's very local. She's too local. Just look at her, the way he's speaking Edo language, speaking Yoruba language. You don't know how to speak English. My dear, if for people, they don't shame say they speak their own language. I'm going to shame say they speak Edo. If people shame say they speak Spanish, I'm going to say they speak Yoruba language. If people say they speak French, I divide for talkative. The stammerer, why go they shame say me too? I they speak my own Urobo, Calabar, or Ijesha, Ijebu, Igbo language. I got a shame. It is my mother tongue, so I just have to speak it. It is strength of every nation. I'm still coming. God bless you in Jesus' name. I'm still on vernacular. Language spoken as one mother tongue. Yeah, vernacular is the language that you speak as your own mother tongue. Not learn. Woman way, do not learn now. Or impose as a second language. Nobody impose that on you. Now natural and about God from heaven. Jehovah Rapha, the heart, the El Shaddai, the maker of heaven and earth, the one that made, the one that created, the one that formed. Now he give out to you. So, okay, my people, take this one on your own. Prosper with it. So why you go to shame so you dey speak your vernacular language? My people, I beg. Which one want to speak for inside? I'm still coming. Vernacular language is your mother tongue. Spoken as one mother tongue, not learned or imposed as a second language. Or speech or written, nobody force that on you. Now natural, now God give it to you. Right from bed now, why you return that one? Now waiting we hear be that one. I beg my people. If in a Benin you be speak, they speak and they speak the Benin. Me or they hear you. You be Yoruba, they speak and I want they hear you. I love Africa. God bless you all in Jesus' name. I'm still coming, though, my people. That is the meaning of vernacular language. Vernacular language. Don't they shame. See me, sir, I do like video. If in a Benin they speak well. You say, okay, this English and not speak. Why you gonna shame? Come on, do live video with Benin. We go hear you. You say when they speak the Yoruba language. Come on, do live video Yoruba. We gonna hear you. Now they translate. They go translate them. You say, okay, maybe you be Robo. You say this Robo, I go feel speak and well. Come, my dear, come and do live video. Come tell us what you get. One left from you, one left for your experience. Come and speak. No shame, say you speak. Your language can never be a local language. Don't avoid that. You say it's my mother tongue. Now, what thing God give to me forever when I be that one? Why you go to shame? Or you buy a shame and they speak their own language? You don't see people from Italy, from France, they shame say because I'm speaking Italian language, make I call the shame, or because I'm speaking French, I suppose they shame, or because I'm speaking English, I go the shame, or because now your language, my people, it is good to speak your language, speak and well. Now let me go for lingo. Lovely people, I'm going for lingo now. Lingo means a foreign language, local dialect. Lingo, it's not foreign language. That's English. When we say we are the carry for air. Yeah, they say their local dialect. English speaking is the local dialect of England people. The way Yoruba language, Igbo, Hausa, Benin is the local language of Nigeria. You get my point? So English is a local language of England people and American people. See, it's a foreign language or local dialect to them. The way our own too is a foreign language and local dialect to us. Do they get my point, so my people? I love you all. I had a hello now because I want me see empower all the people say they call local or not local. Nobody local, my dear. If they speak Benin, you not local. If they speak Yoruba, you not local. You be your day wise, you get brave. They speak Igbo, you don't be local person. They speak outside, you don't be local. Don't be say everybody must speak English. Most people speak English. Most people speak the English. We have to speak our own too. We have our own that God give out to us. I love Africa. I declare for the people. Oh yeah, as they watch me today, now watch the video later. Make one they come out, they see you now. Make one they come out. They speak in the Yoruba language, the Igbo, the Hausa, the Ijebu, the Ijesha. I want to see you now. I want to learn from now. Una opinion, una experience. What you don't want offer, una offer solution. We want to learn for you people. I love Africa. Now let me go for interchange. This one I be the cocoa matter. My dear Africa people, Nigerians, where people come to our country, our land, say they want to teach us their way, their culture, their way. They do interchange. What they do? They try to teach us their language, maybe for understanding. Because they want trade. Now business in it. They want trade. They teach Nigeria, they teach Africa, some part of Africa, their language to communicate with them. Language is interchange. You trade with that language. Now that one made them teach Africa their own language, the way that they speak their own language. What is the meaning of interchange? You see, of a two or more people exchange things with each other. Put each two things in the other places. Of a thing be able to be exchanged with another. The action of interchange people or things, they exchange people. An exchange of words. Now there will be interchange, exchange, trade. When they want to trade with other people, they show them their way. It's okay, fine. This is our way, this is our language for us to communicate, for you to understand me, for we to understand you. We then teach Nigerians, some part of Africa, English. Let me be a teacher. So nobody force on people say if you don't speak you not be educated. For English language, it is not, and it cannot be education. It's just a language. Local dialects or the foreign people, that's what they call it. That is an English language. God bless Africa for me in Jesus' name. Wait till I want to try make I explain today to my people. I'm here to give voice to those that don't. Maybe you are ashamed. No, I cannot. This English of 18, and this English, this full English. If I speak it now, those people they are there. They will be laughing me. They will be mocking me. I can't do it. You are afraid. God has blessed you. God has put things in this your head. God, when He created you, made you, give you your own language. Then why you they wait? Why you they wait? Say you must carry another person, borrow another person language before you go prosper, before you go feel get voice to speak. Never see yourself as illiterate. You know, if you speak English, that will not mean say you be illiterate. I know if you speak French, it not mean say I be illiterate. I never go France before, so their language, I know they parler français. I know they hear. Je m'appelle, I don't know what it mean. Parler français, they parler français. So many people say that's girl now just illiterate because she don't speak French. No. So you not be illiterate if you not feel they speak English. That's my message to people. Be say when they shake, when they fear not to talk for public. You know if you come maybe God don't put something. Say that solution you're there your hand. That thing maybe if you talk and people go hear you say this thing is going to do it this way. You go there hide yourself because you know if you speak English. I beg my sister or my brother, you they do yourself. What is the meaning of illiterate? They say people be say unable to read or write. You get the point? Illiterate people say enough if they read or write. You not fit speak English. That not mean say you be illiterate. Remove that for your mind. Because the white people they cannot speak Edo language. They don't speak Obo. They don't speak Ijaw. They don't speak Hausa. They don't speak Yoruba. They not be illiterate. So if me or you will not speak their language, we not be illiterate. If person say you don't feel read or write, not to say person don't speak English, the quiz English. No, illiterate. Now person will say he cannot read, he cannot just write. That is illiterate. Put it out today. If you can read, you can write. You will not be illiterate. I want to tell you one story. For Spain, yeah, that was last 2 years. It get one course go for do. And they teach us the debate because the man, they did the debate, you they write. I contrast, okay, this maybe he reach kind level say I don't understand the spell not sit down. I want person which tell me. He say he come he say faith. I see answer and see. He say no copy anybody. Write am the way you go fit take read them, the way you take understand them. One day you go feel correct am. Don't copy people. That message enter my head that day. You see, write am the way you fit take write am, the way you go understand them. If I want to ask school now, I write am Suku. S-U-K-U, Suku. No baton. You just tell me, say, don't copy people. Don't even ask question. Take your biro, write it the way you go take understand them. She teach me the thing. And then I pass. Even people will say this, some people ask me. I pass the mark when I get and your boy. So you don't be read and write. If you speak English, you feel they read, you feel they communicate. You quite not correct. You feel spoiled and say you know what they write. You not be illiterate. Or I time say I this thing for church for me when they sing, when the music group. People they can speak very well. They feel hold mic, shout hallelujah, give testimony. But if we say me will come right for ground, if they practice, they not go feel right. They call them. They don't feel the right time. They wait me will finish. So they call the copy. So English speaking, it is not education. I don't see many. Many can speak, they cannot write. Many can speak, they cannot read. So you that can read and write, you get more opportunity, more power, more those that can speak, they cannot write. And many can speak, they can write, they can read, but they cannot think. They not feel create. That different with this different with a pass. Many people they feel they read and write. They can speak very well, they can pose. But the time to give solution, they don't know where they go, they don't know where they come. All they want to speak the English, they are there to your useful nervous to speak the English. But solution, you know they. You that had that solution in your hand. I they encourage you today. I beg. You not be illiterate. You can do something. You can change something. I'm encouraging you. Stand. Just make people they hear your voice. Speak the Edo out. Speak the Yoruba out. Speak out. We are here to listen to you. God bless you in Jesus' name. A person who's unable to read or write is an illiterate. No, the people say they don't speak English. Hear it today. No, the people say you don't speak English. Na you be illiterate. Person will say you don't feel read and write. Now they call illiterate. So if you can read and write, you cannot speak English. You be educated person. You educated person. If I feel they speak Spanish, I know they hear French. I not be illiterate. I can read. I can write. Even though I be stammerer. Mr. If you come and you people are there to correct me. Simple. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Now, let me move to the main matter. When maybe call here today. Well. So, okay, now this one we can come. Pidgin English. According to Miss Edna Owole, see, which one we want to speak for our country, for our nation, for Nigeria? Because we get different kind of language, different one. Ijode, Calabar Day, Igba Day, and different language they speak. Which one want to speak Gongo? Where is the strength of Nigeria? Where did they put food for table for that our country, for Africa? Now, quiz English, now they put for table. I've been a Pidgin English, now they put for table. My people, if you don't want to empower, say, okay, me gonna choose between Queen's English and Pidgin English. Which one would now want to empower? Which one they give you now the strength? Which one they give you the power? Which one they put food for table? I want to make una reason about myself today. But me, talkative, I could say give my opinion. Because I love to talk to all laws makers in Nigeria, our political leaders. We need to restructure our thinking, our mind. We need to rearrange. Because I believe say England people not force this English on Nigeria. Because most of us we like over sabi the English now. We can't even speak and pass the honor of the English people. We don't speak we speak and pass them. The grammar what this one not they use now they use they intimidate those that have the capacity to change things in Nigeria. So today I ask you today, which one will you speak? Which one will you empower? So okay, now let us empower between Quiz English and Pidgin English. Which one you go empower? Which one you go stand for? Our next Nigerian political leaders, are you ready to empower people? Are you ready to give voice to the poor people? Are you ready to empower the voice of the less privileged Nigeria? Are you ready to empower those that don't have money to go and study in UK, Canada, to go and learn this Quiz English? Are you ready to help your people? Are you ready for improvement? Are you ready for Africa to have a change of everything? Are you ready to have a good government? Are you ready to have a good president? Are you ready to have are you ready to have a good future? Are you ready to make that money? Are you ready to be the cattle now among the country we say is civilized for this world? Are you ready to stand for Africa? Are you ready to empower the voice? Are you ready to empower our own voice? That is my call to you today. But I'll give my opinion to all Africans, political leaders. I love you all. I'm here to respect you all. I don't insult people. I give my opinion. God bless you. When people come our land, Nigeria, when they come, where did they go? I beg my people, our leaders. I want to make una explain to us. If from the part of agreement between una and the England people say, okay, once we don't give una freedom, una must speak our language by force, by fire. Because if that's what they do, no problem. Maybe we'll say maybe now an agreement say we must speak the quiz language before we succeed for this life. Because let us know if at the part of the agreement say, okay, man, now I won't give una freedom, but we have to speak our language. I beg, who don't know, me can let me know. If you not be the agreement, say we not get agreement. Me want know the reason why una impose, una force this language on your people. Make una let me know the reason. Una your father say before you feel sit down, come talk for television. Before you feel get a good position, you must speak this quiz English. You must forget about your vernacular language. You must forget about everything and speak quiz English. If not be so, my people. I love white people. No, I love them so much. I talk them all the time. They're very easy. They are very easy people. They know they made life difficult for their people. Even we when we immigrant, they're not gonna make life difficult for us. White people, they find easy way hard for everybody. They care for the poor. They care for the rich because they're equal right. For Europe, you not pass each other. We not pass each other. They give us equal right. They put them not just balance. Africa, please. If you not believe in England, now you not the copy. Why can't you behave like England people? Why can't people behave like white people? I'm still asking this question all the time. If this English language, they're not forced and say, okay, we can speak their language. Wait till the reason say una decide say una can't leave Pidgin English. Say Pidgin say everybody go feel speak. We they simple to all Nigerians, both the old and the young people. When they feel speak, they communicate. Una can't leave that one and say yes that this correct English everybody must speak. Now according to them, 60% of Nigeria youth, 60% they be illiterate according to them. To them, because they don't speak Queen's English. To me, I believe say they not be illiterate. They not be the real reason they feel think, they feel they create, they feel they read and write.
they don't be illiterate. If they can read and write, they feel reason fine, they not be illiterate. Now person will say you not feel read and write, not be illiterate. So who not feel speak Queen's English, he not be illiterate. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Nobody forced this language on you people. My all this has una put on people. Made they call it struggle. You ask some bros that say, bros, you go school. Say, I go school. I go Uniben, or I go Lasu or wherever. You go Ibadan. This one, that one. I go this one, this one. Bros, or auntie, wait till your career. Wait till you go for school. They go say, I study English. I read English. And look at one, they say, bros, you declare for you need for Nigeria. And you are in Europe, you suffer. I got the bros, don't vessel. Education without talent is like a tree without leaves. It's true. Education without talent is like a tree without leaves. English speaking without wisdom, knowledge, creativity is like a tree without leaves. Bros, so sorry to say, you just empty. Oh, empty. You just empty. Just like that. I go study English for school. You dey here, you suffer. You go school, you not study, you can't study again. You go carry your family money. Sit down, say I want to study English. You call the break the grammar. No. There's no job, nothing. All you to get for man English. Bros, now English, now we want job. Now your English now whatever is for some market. Now English now want people for this our table. Say my sister, you right sharp. That time I don't just know. I say, bros, you know what? I believe say so today inside you. Bring that thing out. You come out the real journal. Make for this life. For example, now look at basket math. The guy. He still go school now. Then Bonvi, then go die, then go dance, P Square, Two Face. Most of them they go school. Then go school, they study well. But today, then they chop with broken. The comment they want to perform, if they want to speak that broken, that pidgin English, the joke when they want crack, it not go sweet. Can it do ni? They need to speak English, to speak this broken to the audience. Make people for they laugh, make they jolly, they make their money. So, at the end of the day, not be English, not be the put for table for Nigeria. They know the truth that they make. The video, Tiwa Savage, all of them. They still with broken pidgin English. Now they put food for table. Now the money day. Now they make car for Nigeria. If na lie talk, make they watch all of the see the music. My bakarat na paka, my shaking no the band. Of course they are shaking the bands because they understand the meaning of that pidgin, the power. They are making money with that pidgin English. You are there speaking the hello. You they suffer. People are using pidgin. They used to making money. They enjoy. Their bakarat na paka. They are shaking. You know the bands. My people, Africa. Make una choose today. If you don't want empower, na pidgin. No want empower or una want empower Queen's English. I beg make una choose. I the beg una vernacular plus pidgin English. Now waiting you're the rape that one. Now that one may be the strength of Nigeria. Now the truth be that one. The language say people go fit speak. Maybe pidgin English. You can't add your own vernacular journal. See their music, enjoy the sweet. The music they sweet well. They cry joke, it go sweet. My dear brother, if they come out pidgin English out of the joke when they crack the joke, it don't go sweet again. Now the honey when it dead, now be the pidgin English. The second go to music. If they come out pidgin out of music, the music. When it do more, it not go sweet again. Cause now that pidgin and that vernacular Now be the only when they say the music. Then what are we talking about? Empower pidgin English. Empower, give voice to people by allowing them to speak in the language they understand very well. Allow them to study with pidgin English. If Africa want make if Nigeria want change, give the easy way out. Stop make like this difficult for una people again. I beg Africa, political leaders, laws makers, empower pidgin English. The power of mother language is the strength of every nation. They are speaking their language in England, in Italy, Germany, France, Spain, Portugal. They are speaking their language and their land they better, they jolly, they enjoy, they battle themselves. Why una put us for suffer? Why una say we must speak the Queen's English by fire, by force? When easy way there to make your people happy, to make they come get sharp brain. And they beg Africa. Now that pidgin English they put for table. Politicians, if you don't want campaign for this, all these local women, people when they speak their local language, una go remember pidgin English, they speak out to them. Many of us do now. So why can't you empower this pidgin English? Ada Jokoriko now, many people see they study with pidgin English. Africa, I'm begging you all today. Vernacular language, power of mother language. The mother language is the strength of every nation. The strength of America, the strength of England, the strength of Spain, the strength of Italy, Portugal, France, Germany. They speak Dutch. France, they speak French. Is their strength, is their power. Why would not put us for suffer? Why would not put us for suffer? Empower English, empower pidgin English, encourage pidgin English. Now the language say you come out to people they feel they speak. If they study the language, things go change. They feel they understand better, they will speak better, they go create better. I beg you, Africa. And at the end of the day, you can't be choice. If you decide to speak Queen's English, it is your own choice. It is not by fault to speak Queen's English. I beg you now, Africa, my people, all the lawmakers in Nigeria, the lawmakers, our political leaders, our president, look to it, make una empower them. Empower their voice, empower what they sabi they do. We sabi they do well. This thing they put food for table. People they have with pidgin English. All of them they are singing with pidgin English, and they are back at that baka. All the comedians they will see come. As all they will see come casual for now. Pidgin English, they are back at that baka. So why can't you just encourage, empower pidgin English? For everybody, even our grandmother, our idioma, our yarubo, abarubo, yagba, magba, all everybody go to speak up. They go understand us. Okay, now where they go? Where they come with this one? Please, we are begging you, Africa. What is the meaning of pidgin English? They exist. According to them, even Igbo themselves, they bring the pidgin English to communicate with people. This is what they talk for here. They say it's a grammatically simplified form of a language. He said a grammatically simplified from a language, typically English, Dutch, and Portuguese. Some elements of which are taking local languages used for communication between people not sharing common language. Very simple. All Nigeria, we know they share common language. But Oyibo, when is he giving a Queen's English? If they say pidgin English is a grammatically simplified form of a language, typically English, Dutch, Portuguese, some elements of which are taking local language used for communication between people not sharing a common language. That's pidgin English. They use them, they break and they take them from Dutch, from English, and from Portuguese. They take them, they come together. Maybe they communicate with because they share common language, but they feel understand themselves. Now, waiting Africa supposed to do for the beginning. Now, you'll be down one. You need to have your own dictionary. Take from there, bring them together, make it easy for people. The way you're going to communicate with each other. And put them for curriculum. So anyone who says that, say, I want to study in Pidgin English. You feel study in Pidgin English, you go understand that. And it's true, because don't you say okay, because say Yoruba language, everybody nobody will agree to speak Yoruba language for all your Nigeria, they don't agree. You say Igbo, they can allow you. You say outside, they'll say lie. If you say Ijo, they'll say no. Only language where people go access, okay, fine. We take this one, say now we call they use, now be Pidgin English. So where can you empower this Pidgin English? Now people they speak, then people they understand. Go market or anywhere you go, now they speak. Politicians for the one campaign, go speak that Pidgin English. People are making money with the Pidgin English. Their bacalot is they are making big money with it. I love Africa. May God bless you all in the name of Jesus Christ. So, all we are saying today is please daddy and mommy, empower vernacular, they call them vernacular language or Pidgin English. Now we would beg on for. I be stammerer. See, before I know they talk, now I call it talk. Now waiting I know they learn. In my house say faith. No speak Yoruba language again. I'll beg you that could Yoruba language. Now the part of the strength we say I just get with that one. So if you say faith, I be English stopper, I was okay. No problem. Me, I'll come out even happy. I know the struggle. But Yoruba language, Edo language, now part of me. Yoruba and Edo. Now we say I no go feel stuff for my life. So I beg all Africa today, my lovely Africa people, political, the lawmakers, make una empower Pidgin English. Now they put for table. Pidgin English that vernacular language. Now they put for table. If you want to sing, they will hire Yoruba jump Pidgin. They use and sing, use and make money. If they want to sing, they will have Igbo jump Pidgin English. Even flavor, all of them, they go add them, join and make money. People from Bayelsa like what be this man name Timaya. He go add them. When money not there, when everybody not there, everybody sing, they enjoy the music. He go add them. Use them. You just use them. These are make money. So Pidgin English and vernacular is the strength of Nigeria. All Nigerians, all of us would they speak. So stop calling us. Stop calling us illiterate. We not be illiterate. We are not illiterate. If we can read and write, we cannot speak English. We are not illiterate. Illiterate is a person that cannot read or write. So we can read and we can write, but we can't speak West English. So we not be illiterate. So empower the language we say we feel they speak. Take for example now, for this video call, for WhatsApp, go to Instagram, go to Twitter, go to Facebook. You go so Igbo, very simple. I love their way. They go put on there. If you know how to write, you write. If you know how to write, you go use your voice. You talk. You go post down to the other person. That person will hear what they talk. Or you both make way for everybody. Both the illiterate, everybody they will use computer. Everybody will use this smartphone. Because if you cannot write, you can talk. That's why they put voice call, voice message. You use your voice, use your language, use your own dialect. You want to speak. You talk. You post them. Where Africa they make life difficult for their people. Or you both make everything easy. You just get one side when I did. They educate you. If you say I, for example, I or hello, They go give you 3 options how to answer. They make life easy for you. They say, if you open up, if you click the message now, you click the message, you go see a teacher there. If you don't click the click, of course you won't have they educate people. So please educate us, empower our voice, empower their people in Nigeria, empower their voice, allow them to communicate with the language say they understand, allow them to study with language they understand. If English language is everything, it's education. England people, therefore, not they go school. English, it is a language, but they still have to go to school to go and learn with their own dialects. In America, the same thing. English, it is a language, but they still have to go to school to have that master degree, PhD, OHD, whatever they call it. It is their language, but they still have to go to study. Now, they prosper because they study with their own language, they understand better. So make us understand better. Help us to understand better. Give us way to study better. We can be a pilot. We go fit do plane. Yes, we go fit do if now allowed to study with language. We say we understand very well. We understand. We play. Nigerians, they go fit do plane. They go fit create. They go arrange plane for ground. They do jets with their hand. If you don't give the simple say my son, my daughter, come and study in the language you understand. I like Oyibo people here in Spain. They say, Faith, write down the way you don't understand and no copy anybody. So educate me. Later, if I don't reach I could educate myself. Say don't copy people. Write down the way you could enter your head. The ones who say you know where they go, know where they come from, you know what thing I tell you know what thing I explain to you. Now what you body do for year, now be that one. So I tell them, I say, anything one people say is good, I'll speak on talk. I feel talk for 3 hours. If now one I go for it, another one I go take. Because everything one I talk for a year, he no go feel correct, he no go feel right, but Sunday we say he go see right when we say una we say this was still good, make we take this one, we say use and do something. Please empower empower mother language and empower pidgin English. Pidgin English and vernacular, it is strength of Nigeria. Now what did they give us food with that one? They put food for table and be that one. Let you be that one. Market women they sell with pidgin English. Now only the politics. How many people they speak the quiz English? Those that speak the quiz English, most of them they don't have the capacity. There is no capacity, no wisdom, no knowledge. Everything they get that quiz English, no solution. But people who say they get solution for they will feel create, they will feel reason where think fine. Where we don't go hide them. So tell this language, not just give to people, gift. People they can speak very well. They feel only 2 months, 3 months. Spanish, they tell their math. They'll go France before they spend 3 months too. They go they speak French. So tell they not go feel right, but they can speak very well. So English language, it can never, and it will never be education. It's just a dialect of foreign people. The dialect that belong to foreign people. Please, we need to have just a rethink. Make una see reverse, go back. Please. And nobody is forcing you to drop your quiz English. You can continue with your quiz English. All we are saying is pidgin English. Allow them to study with the language they understand better, so that they will feel create and communicate better. Please, for God's sake, please, I'm begging. English is what you can learn. You can just come and start to learn. Language is what you can learn. You go feel learn Spanish, you speak Spanish. You go feel learn French, you go to speak French. You go Dutch, you want to speak Dutch. Then what you go feel learn? Now Portugal, now Portuguese, anything you say, now what you go feel learn. But wisdom, no be waiting person they learn, person they get. Ọpọlọ ni, ọgbọ́n. Now brain, people say they don't get this brain to create. Allow them to study with the language. They understand better. I'm begging political leaders. And we are begging lost maker in Nigeria. Eda question nítorí Ọlọ́run. We are begging ẹjọ́, allow these people to study in the language they understand better. They will do better. They will make you proud. The way P Square, the way Basketman, the way Bros Gordon, I Go Die, the way all of this make people proud. So they can make you proud. They can create, they can create play. They can do so many things. Just allow them to go with the language. We say immerse their system, immerse their understanding. Now, what do they do for every damn one? These people, they study with their own language, they prosper. Just look at everywhere. Spanish, no, they don't go for another person's language. They study with their own language. Please, we are begging today. We are begging or allow them to study with the language they understand better. They can do good things. They can do great things in Africa. We are begging all the power of mother language is the strength of every nation in the world. In this Western world, it is their strength. The strength of America, the strength of England, the strength of Spain. It is their strength. Now their strength may not be this one. We need to borrow. We need to be our own. Please, Nigeria cannot speak one language we know, but they can speak pidgin English. Please, make life easy for your people. Make it easy. Enough of this struggle to make money, struggle to live. You cause this struggle to speak Queen's English again. You don't want to suffer keep person. We suffer everything. We suffer for water. We suffer for light. We suffer for everything. We suffer to speak this Queen's English too. We do have to strive. This striving, this war, we fight to get everything. We fight to communicate. We say you not going to communicate naturally. Then we fight to communicate. English speaking. If you not see white people, you don't communicate with them. Make you not continue. Just for example now. For example, go YouTube. Just say. All those Ghana journalists go YouTube. Very hardly before you go see Ghana people. All the journalists when say they go school, they speak English. Don't go for away. Don't go to YouTube. You know, go they speak their language. Because it's their strength. Now Ghana, it done better. Nigeria they consider put English for air. Ghana is the one that people that the one said when this girl died, Ebony when she died, I search for the girl. They look at what happened to her. Before I see people who speak English, it takes me 3 days to watch different kind of video, different one. Before people who speak English, he speak kind of small. He continue with their own language, their own dialects. Ghana, they don't prosper. So Nigeria, what are you still waiting for? Embrace it, grab it. It is your strength. Pidgin English, it is your strength. All we are saying is pidgin English in Nigeria. Pidgin, it is your strength. Please, Ghana they speak their own. Go media, go everywhere. They speak what you want, it is sorry, and they speak. The journalists, all of them, all the press people, they are speaking their language and they speak. Hardly. If you click 20, before you go see 2, say they speak English, you just add. All of them, they are speaking their own language. Then what are you still waiting for Nigeria? Grab it. Pidgin English for everybody. Empower Pidgin English for every one of us. They can do better. they can create better, they can run better, they can read better. Nigerians are very intelligent. Yes, they can do better. But I tell you, people who say they speak English, they get opportunity to study. And people will say they not get opportunity to study. Their brain is sharp, it is open. They are not like those people who speak this quick English. If they hear they talk, their word, they carry weights, they carry wisdom, they carry solution. What Nigeria need is solution, not quick English. And nobody's advising or forcing you to drop your way of speaking. It's good to speak in English. No, there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong in it. Speak in quick English. There is no problem. But if you see people that understand you, continue with them. You see people like us, we are very local. We don't hear you. Talk to all the way we don't understand. So you have to empower the one we say they understand. Now the true be that one. Yeah, when I do so. This language they call it Euskera for Spain. Euskera. This is when I did so. But now Spanish already speak pass. Because now Spanish they bring them together. Even go to Pamayoka, they get the language. If you go to Barcelona, they still get the language. They call it Catalan. So even Spain get different language, but they all choose one, which is Spanish. We all they speak. So Nigeria choose pidgin English for everybody. That's just the truth. Euskera, they speak Euskera. Euskera, normally they not speak for their own language. Now Euskera, no be Spanish. But in Spanish, all any person you're the Eastern territory, they speak Spanish together. Nigeria, pick pidgin English. Educate your people with pidgin. That is pidgin English. Give them voice. People say they get the capacity there. I'm telling you, people they get the capacity, they get the solution. They can do things, they can run things, they can arrange things. Forget just the education of a team. People will say they go fit do things there. Empower those that have the capacity, those that have the quality. People say they get the brain, the wisdom, the knowledge, the understanding. Empower them, empower their voice, encourage them, allow them to study in the language they understand better. I love Africa. It's just the truth. I don't almost close now. I'm about to go. Please and please remember everything when I talk today. Oh, no go make sense, but someday we say it go make sense, which is all we are saying is pidgin English. So before I go, I want to people will say they sabi they mock people well. Say if you don't speak English well, it's an illiterate. You know you go school an illiterate because of English. you know say are you the biggest illiterate? You don't show you go tell you say because say I know they speak Spanish because say I be illiterate. No, if I can read and write, I not be illiterate. If they can still read and write, they are not illiterate. English speaking, no be education. Na dialect of England people. So me, the very fair, the talkative, I want talk to those that know how to mock. We say they not be the correct press people or the journalists of Nigeria. Most of now, when they say this quiz English, everybody must speak Camo. Una speak for solution. Not to sit down for television. Cause they make mad, they do that. Una look for where the trend. This one don't happen for here. We pick Camo. We discuss them. We not get solution. Those people when we say they speak pidgin English, now they hold the key to Nigeria. The solution is just their hand for them. So make a thought to una today. So be divine faith talkative. Illiterate person, now person be say, you know if they create, you know if they think, you know if they reason with the reason find, you know if they give solution, offer solution to something. To me, and that kind of person to me never be illiterate. If you cannot create, produce something good, you know if they give solution, there's no opinion, you are there speaking the quiz English, you are a complete illiterate. And if you cannot speak your dialect, your own dialect, your language, you are the biggest illiterate in the whole world. Because if you see American man or woman say, you know if they speak in your dialect. You know if you see England person, England, you say, you know if they speak in your dialect. So if you cannot speak your own dialect, you are a complete illiterate. The biggest one in the world. The biggest illiterate in the world now you. If you cannot speak your own dialect, your own vernacular language, you are complete biggie illiterate. Now you be. That is the truth. If you cannot speak your own mother language, you are the biggest illiterate in the world. Now I tell you so. So if you are mocking people, maybe you have a mistake. You have to music. Instead of saying make you the correct them. You are illiterate with the degree of stupidity. Learn how to correct people and stop mocking them. English speaking, it is not education, it is language. A foreign dialect, a local dialect of foreign people, of Western people. So if you cannot correct people, you are mocking them, you are the biggest illiterate with the degree of stupidity. Learn how to correct people. You hear me? So the biggest illiterate with degree of stupidity. Learn how to educate. Learn how to correct your people. We are born with our own dialect, and I am proud of it. You get my point? I am proud of it. I am born with my own dialect, and I'm proud to be a Edo girl, Africa girl. I be Niger girl, complete Niger. I am be. If you can call me Edo, call me Yoruba girl. The two are the answer them, but I just be Edo. Edo girl, I be Benin girl, complete Benin girl. Now I be. So if you cannot speak your own dialect, you cannot speak your own mother tongue, you are a complete illiterate with a degree of stupidity. I give you the degree of stupidity. I don't get PhD. You get PhD or OCD or master degree of stupidity. Speak your language. Correct your people. Educate them. Empower their voice. That is why you are there. How many white people say he go to the poor people? Hardly we go see white people say you don't speak the language where they will mock you. No, they correct you. They put you in the right direction. They do phone. They say add a voice message. If you cannot write, you have a voice. White people, they empower everybody. God give people voice. They empower them. If you cannot read or write, you can talk. Language, communication, talking, talk, conversation, interchange, lingo, vernacular. That's language. So learn how to correct the people. And the strength of Nigeria, the strength of our nation, is vernacular and pidgin English. If Nigeria want to prosper, if they want to improve, they should empower the poor people, empower their voice. Power have to change hand in that Nigeria. If you empower them, say, okay, make sure they do exam, make sure they write exam with a pidgin English. I trust my people. They go be number one. Last year for year, I do exam. Me say I don't speak the quiz in English, English. I don't speak. I do exam, I pass. Person say he dey speak quiz English, he do exam, she fail. And they come say because she dey speak the English well, they give the position. They can't give her to her. Is that fair? You speak English, you fail. Me say I don't speak the English, I pass. They can't give the position, they give it to you. You will fail. Now they bring us backward. Una want me with a move forward because it can speak language. You know the exam you don't know, you don't pass. Una go give it to her. That kind of thing. Where they go? Una they go anywhere. I don't make cannot speak Yoruba. Basically, they speak quiz English. She fail exam. My God. My people say because she they speak quiz English, or the man say she fail, they give her to her and say yes, maybe you should go there. Oh, I don't want to deceive myself. The white people, the ignorant people, they have to study too. They have to go to school and learn. America, they go to school to have master degree. To become a lawyer, a doctor, a banker, businessman, good businessman, we say study. Not be their job now. If you say if they speak English, you don't no. You want to learn, read, and pass. Forget your quiz English. You want to learn, read, and pass. Read and learn and pass the exam before you qualify. Not because you can speak the quiz. No. English speaking, it is just a language. God bless Africa. And for those that they speak the quiz English, the quiz English, I want to just encourage you now. I give it to people. My dear, you are the best. You are the best of the best. Because you did natural. You not borrow. You not pretend. You not going to here. You free yourself. You they explain. You they communicate. You they give opinion. They give solution. I beg, my dear brother and sister, come online. Come and speak the Edo language. Speak Yoruba. Yes. You be best. You have a mouth. People when you do social media, they do everything. They give you opportunity. If you can't read, you can speak. There's voice person. Voice it out. Voice out. Voice your. Let people hear the voice. There's voice message. They call it voice message. Voice it out. Come and speak the Hausa, Igbo, Kalabeni will speak with the way forward. Come and speak. Ghana they speak there. Why not go speak your make you prosper? I want to tell you one quote we say a year. I hear am me write am. I don't read them. I go tell now who write the quote. The man, the lovely man say, if you can't fly, they run. If you can't speak English, speak your vernacular language. That is your strength. Speak pages is your strength. Then if you can't run, he said what he said? Walk. If you can't walk, crawl. I said make you crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. You get the point? We say if you can't run, you crawl. If you can't fly, you run. The important thing is say you have to keep move forward. Move forward. Speak the language you understand. Move forward. Not stay one place. Who write down? Martin Luther King Jr. Now the quote when he give to people that one say, if you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. Whatever you do, you want to keep moving forward. That is just it. Whatever you do, keep moving forward. From Martin Luther King Jr. Please keep moving forward. Speak your dialects. Speak your language. Just don't say, you go feel prosper. I can see it in Africa. The Italians give everything they there. Stand up. Say you want to be you want to be you want the top. Stand up. If they give people the speak broke opportunity for a court, they go they win on the case. I trust them, my people. Especially for me, John. I trust them people. They can speak the broken where. May stand for coming because say parle. Parle not be so. See this guy so parle. He get the speaker. They go they win for court. Educate them, help them, empower them. Because they say if you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But anything if you do, the point is saying keep moving forward, my people. Move forward. Vernacular language, the mother language, that's what they call it local language now. It is your strength. It's that one is natural strength. Now what did God give to you? I be stammerer. I wish I try make I speak the quick English. I love you talk reach 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I don't tire. I go run out. I go run out of speech because I call the thing. I know I made mistake. But see now I can flow. I do the flow. I dey read the English, but I'm flowing. And people who they pick my point. I don't say no be go correct, but no go pick the good one when you dey. People, make una empower pidgin English. Come the flow together. Make for the jolly the thing together. I love you. And people will say una sabi dey speak the Queen's English. I congratulate you all for your effort. You are trying. I don't do great work. It's a great job. It's not easy to study. I mean, I call speak the English perfectly. It's good to speak. It's good to speak English, French, Spanish, Dutch, Italian. But any language we say it's good to hear different language. But it is not the strength of Africa. For language, it is not education. But for English, it is not education, but language. But the power of mother language, vernacular language, and pidgin is the strength of Nigeria. It is the strength of Africa. Today, now what I get to share with this one is foremost now my first live video of the year. So I don't believe I go feel make because it don't say take. I say I just want to start new thing. So I start afresh. So if I try, make una congratulate me. If I make mistake, no, the one no your minus all the bad one. Say this girl, the man's bad one, the good one now not take. After if na half like good and half you go take, not take up. I love Africa. May God bless you all. So today I ask my people, which one you go empower? All we are saying is pidgin English. All we are saying 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 is pidgin English. I love Africa, my lovely people. Have a lovely weekend. Wonderful and lovely Africa youth. I love you all. It's good to study. Don't forget, it's good to study. Remember, illiterate is person that cannot read and write. It's good to study so as you can read and write. But not take English language as everything. Because now dialects of the foreign people of England and America. Your own dialect, you see, get them. So use your dialect to communicate with people like us, with everybody. They hear you. Even our president, they hear you. Vice president, they hear what they talk, what they speak pidgin English. Our senate, all of them, they hear them. All our lawmakers, they hear well. If they want campaign now, they go one village. They say, my people, I'll give you a light. I'll give you a free education. They go speak the language people they understand. Now they shoot people. Just look at now. And any celebrity, when you say no, never. I can they empower pidgin English? No, we cover to speak Queen's English. I beg, especially if you be musician and comedian. No try am, because if you try am, I go tell them, make they tell you, make you they crack your joke with Queen's English. Because me no say if you crack joke with Queen's English for 5 minutes, it no go sweet. Now the only we say it dey inside una joke. Now be that pidgin, the one that they speak am. Hey, people go laugh. They go say, they will laugh. Because I'm the pidgin, look at the sweet. The same thing go to musician. No try comedian. Come say no pidgin English. Well, no, never. If you try am, all your music, even the one way you don't play before, we go tell you make you replay am for Queen's English. Because we know say it don't go sweet. The music it don't go blow, because that only not dey again. And the vernacular, the Yoruba one they add, the Hausa, the Igbo, the Benin one they add, they join the pidgin. Then you see the ginger people, they sweet, they jokodo, they fiare, the bankara, the paka, I say the band. You don't make me fall in love. You are my sugar, you are my banana, you are my tomato justice, you are my everything. Now the truth be that one. I don't make money, I don't chop money, testimony. I want collabo ka, Doro Gucci, Doro Fine, Doro Beauty, Doro Honey. We did that one again. Ona Kiss Daniel. We don't want to say, Omo Woju, baby, Woju, Omo Woju. All of them. Who they deceive? I beg, power pidgin English jare. When they made the money pidgin English, who know they deceive? If you na comedian, cut off say like. From today go on, we are going to sing with Queen's English. From today go on, we are going to crack on a joke with Queen's English. Because una go for deceive people abi. Nothing happen again. I dey catch all of them for here. All of them they speak pidgin English, they crack joke. They everybody laugh. We too make them empower the pidgin English. Everybody they speak and use and go school and learn book. Use you can't be engineer. They call it do plane. They do Ferrari. They do G-Wagon. They do go not t-shirts. That G-Wagon. We do about ourselves now. This not to myself. I watch them for internet. I will go down. How to do air. I sit down. I feel the air. Choose the air. I mean I do by myself. And the two people they do and they do. If I pidgin English jare, we go learn more thing. Now I can sew. Because Spanish people, they teach me because I Spanish, I don't understand their language. They teach me the way I understand that. They will tell me, say, right hand, you understand that. I can sew, I go feel do air. If you give me some capital work now, I go feel do one. So empower people in English now. Allow people to learn with the language which they understand. Spanish, I learn with language I understand. As if they carry me go class now before 1 month, they know say this girl is a very bad girl. I don't catch up with them. I go loot everything they do. Right, and the way I can understand that. I love Africa. God bless you all, my lovely people. I beg, make una know this matter. We need pidgin English. Pidgin English, vernacular plus pidgin English is what we need. It's our strength. Now our strength be that one. Thanks for coming. Thanks to all my viewers. I really appreciate you. God bless you. It's my first video. I know people go even conserve. God bless you all, my dear brothers and sisters. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Thanks for the comment. Thanks for the like. I love you, show. I love you. I love Africa. So if I make mistake, make una remove the bad one. I said the good one. Make una say call me. Make una say correct me. No, I say I've been a sister now. So next week we start with the law of abortion. And for next week, it's called a better way. This one, I just want me, with the woman. God bless you. So, which one you want to speak? Is it Queen's or pidgin English? Choose one of it. I love Africa. Before I go make a put music, I try to put music here, but it's not moving. I can see you there. Okay? No problem. Le bâton. Sakabo. All we are saying is pidgin English. All we are saying pidgin English. All we are saying pidgin English. All we are saying music. What to play my music? All we are saying pidgin English. 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 All we are saying broken English. All we are saying pidgin English. All we are saying broken English. All we are saying pidgin English. Love you all. See ya next week on the 4th of May. To start with the love of abortion. I love you all. God bless Africa. See ya, Kashia, later. Te quiero mucho. I woo my people. Adios. Odabo. Love you all.